guys, what's up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a super exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a vlog style wear test of the Maybelline Superstay matte ink lipstick. Now, I really want to do like a really fun review video, and instead of just sitting down and reviewing the lipstick, I thought a wear test would be really great because this one, it claims to last like I think 9 or 12 hours, and I'm going to be going to college and I'm going to be working the whole day. I'm going to be eating, working, chilling. So I thought, what is better than going to my college, doing a day in my life and a wear test video. So the lipstick that I'm putting right now is in the shade 245 Seeker. I'm going to apply this and I'm going to show you how it is. Alright, so now I have my lipstick on. This one is the Superstay matte ink lipstick in the shade Seeker. Now the reason why I chose this is because it's a really nice brown, like a burnt orange brown color, and it goes to the skirt that I'm wearing to college today. So I thought it would like really nicely go and coordinate with my outfit. Now a little basic review. When you first wear the lipstick, if you see, it's kind of sticky. It's a little sticky for the first 15 minutes, but because I've been trying these out for a long time now, I know that after 10-15 minutes the stickiness is going to go away and it's going to become super matte. So that's one thing that you would want to know. For the first 10-15 minutes it will be a little sticky. It's a very different kind of liquid lipstick formula that you might not have ever tried, because I haven't, and I have a lot of liquid lipsticks. So the formula is very different, but it's super long lasting, and I'm going to be doing a wear test now to show you how really long lasting it is. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a little vlog video as well, so you guys have really been requesting for day in my life vlogs. Here they are. If you guys like whatever you're seeing right now, you can go and like the video, subscribe to my channel and join my family. And yeah, without any further ado, let's now get started. In case you guys were wondering what I'm wearing to college, I'm wearing this skirt from Forever 21, this top, again this t-shirt with a pizza is from the men's section in Forever 21, and my sneakers are from H&M. They're white but they're very dirty now, and my makeup you guys know. And now let's go to college. So before I leave for college, I always hydrate myself क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी है. I need to drink water. So let's see if the lipstick transfers in the water bottle. So like you guys can see, there's literally no transfer that happened, and it's been hardly like 10 minutes that I've applied this lipstick, and it's now transfer proof. I'm going to be vlogging the whole day so you guys can see whether it transfers when I'm eating hot oily food or not, but for now it did not transfer within 5 to 7 minutes of application. So I am done with college. I took you guys to college, but we didn't really do a lot because our class got jaldi khatam ho gaya tha. So now we're done. This is Vani. Hi. And she's in my class and is also my friend. So the update on my lipstick is it's 2:45, and I applied the lipstick. So as I was saying, I have this lipstick on since the past 3-4 hours now. I had a lot of food. I had sweet corn, I had banta, I had pani, and it did not budge. As you guys can see, there's no bud for lip as well, and I did not touch up my lipstick at all. So it's holding up really well, and I didn't really do a lot in college. I went to class, we had a little discussion, and that was it. So our class is over now. It's around 3ish, and now we're leaving back to go back home. And I did not touch up my lipstick for the day. I don't really have a lot to do, so I don't know where I'm gonna go. But even if I change into my PJs, I'm from my OOTD, I will still keep the lipstick on, and I'll keep updating you guys on how well does the lipstick fare and how long does it stay. I am very tired. I changed into my PJs, but my makeup is still intact. And since I travel to Rajouri every day from Gurgaon in this scorching heat, I am super dehydrated and tired. Even though I had a banta, I just feel like I need a nap. So I have my AC turned on, and I'm gonna be taking a nap. I'm in my PJs. And yeah, one of my friends is also coming to meet me after this. I don't know what our plan is. We might go to Cali area, or we might stay and chill at home. Whatever I do, I'm gonna keep vlogging, and if I eat something, I'll also update you guys on that. But for now, I really need a nap because I'm so change in plans. So I'm not going. Like, I did not take a nap because my friend is here and I'm so tired. I'm honestly just gonna go meet him in my PJs, and I think we're just gonna chill for a bit. We're gonna go for a drive or something, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go in my PJs. I don't care because मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ. Or I'm gonna keep my lipstick on because I really am very serious about this video because I really want to see how long does this last. But see, it is not coming off, you know, like even if I rub my fingers on it, the pigmentation is still the same. It's not lightening, and right now it's super matte. So beach it was a little chipchapa, but right now it's super matte. Let's go. दादी मैं थोड़ी देर बाहर जा रही हूँ. मैं थोड़ी देर बाहर जा रही हूँ. Say hi. Hi. दोस्तों से चिल करने. बाय.
ये पहन के
हाँ
गंदी लग रही है.
पजामे में हूँ.
हाँ तो पजामा पहन के जाया जाता है.
हाँ
चल
जीन्स पहनूँ.
और क्या.
So as per the orders, I cannot go out in pajamas. So I'm finally wearing my skirt again, and now I'm going for sure. Let's go. अब जाओ.
छोटी पहन के जाएंगे.
छोटी का है, नॉर्मल तो है.
छोटी है.
Good night. Hello. So I am lying down on my yoga mat like a vegetable, but right now I'm going to be doing an at-home workout. So I have a couple of these 5-15 minute workout thingies that I used to do when I was in Ahmedabad, and I used to do them a lot, and they actually really helped me tone up and like lose the extra weight that I used to gain. But I stopped for some reason, and recently I've been doing this 15 minute workout thingies whenever I get the time to do it, or if nothing, I just do like a couple of crunches here and there, like go for a walk. So today actually the reason I'm doing this is because it's like an extreme wear test of sorts. So I feel so weird that I'm going to be wearing makeup and working out because it's so dumb, and I really judge people who wear makeup while they work out. I mean, you do you, I'm not judging, but it's kind of weird and I feel so weird right now. But this is only because I want to see you when you're out and about and you're really exerting and you're really sweating. Does this lipstick still stay? Because I mean, what time is it? It's 7:15 and I had this lipstick, I applied this at 11:30 and it's been so long and it's still intact. So I really want to see that after I sweat, because I sweat like a pig. So I want to see whether it really lasts after so much exertion. And yeah, enough of talking. Let's now get into this really cool workout. If you guys want, I'll link all of the workouts that I do in the description down below. So if you guys want to do them, you can do them too and we can be twinning. Alright you guys, so I am done with my workout. I'm slightly disappointed with myself because earlier on in Ahmedabad, when I used to do these different playlists that I have curated for myself, I could do a lot more than I can do right now. But I guess I know why, because ever since I've come to Delhi, because of the pollution, my asthma gets triggered very easily. So when I'm, as you guys can see, I'm wheezing a little bit. That's because when I do like high intensity workouts that I have curated for myself, my asthma gets triggered a little. Anyway, keeping that aside, the good thing is that my lipstick is still intact, only like it's budged from the inner corners, otherwise it's all great. I feel so dumb for working out with makeup on, but you gotta do what you gotta do for the YouTube. So now I'm gonna go take a bath and I'll see whether with soap and water the lipstick comes off or not. I don't think it will, to be honest, because it's been on for so long without budging. I don't think कि नहा के भी निकलेगी, सिर्फ makeup remove से निकलने वाली है, I'm sure. But anyway, let's go take a bath because I'm sweating and I'm stinking and I don't want to stink. I'm gonna go and I'll see you guys after I take a bath. Okay you guys, even after a bath, I am super surprised. I look like a potato, but I'm super surprised this lipstick is still staying. It came off from here a little, but it's still super pigmented and super there on my lips. I'm so surprised, you guys. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but all of my makeup is off. Only a little bit of my mascara is left because that's also waterproof. But all of my makeup is off. My base makeup is off, but this lipstick is still on. It's blowing my mind away. Hello, so I am doing my last check-in of the day. By check-ins, I mean the regular, like the little breaks that I took, and I updated you guys on the lipstick. So this is the last check-in, and as you guys can see, it's still super dark. Like it literally is what it says. It's a matte ink lipstick, so it's literally an ink for your lips because it's still so dark. Like even the center zone like look very smudge. Can you guys? The inner corners are a little faded, otherwise the lipstick is still intact, and I'm honestly blown away by how long lasting this is. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing that it really stays for so long, but for now my plan is to stop vlogging and I'm gonna eat some Gyanis. This is the Belgian chocolate ice cream. I absolutely love it. If you guys like Gyanis, tell me what your favorite flavor is, and I'm gonna watch some YouTube and some Netflix, and I'm gonna end the day. I hope you guys really enjoyed the vlog. I'm now going to be inserting a clip of my review. I'm going to be talking about the review, the pros and cons and everything, so you guys can have an idea of whether or not this lipstick is worth the hype. So yeah, I'm going to be ending the vlog now. If you guys really like this video, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Also be sure to hit the notification bell button because that will just notify you every time I post. And no, the video is not done yet. The review is coming right up. Alright you guys, I'm finally in my bed. Oh shit. I'm finally in my PJs and I'm going to sit down and talk to you guys girl to girl, friend to friend. I'm going to give you guys a very laid back review. I'm going to list down the pros and cons of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipsticks, and so that you guys can decide for yourself whether or not you guys want to go and purchase this wonderful bottle of magic. So let's first start with the pros. I think there's a lot of more pros than cons. I think there's only one or two cons. But anyway, the first pro is obviously the price point. It's only for 650 rupees for such a huge bottle tube of lipstick, which is great. So it's not very cheap. It's not very expensive. It's a mid-range lipstick. 650 for a Maybelline lipstick, which has such a good formula, is not bad at all. In fact, it's a really good deal. So the price point definitely is a pro. Second thing is the packaging, which comes and is kind of interlinked with the price point. The packaging is super nice. It's super sturdy. Does not feel plasticky at all. And also with the packaging comes the applicator. I'm in love with the doe foot applicator that it has. It has like, it's a little pointy, so it gives you a lot of precision and control. And also you only need one dip and you're good. With one dip you don't need to like dip it again and again. With one dip you can like do a whole lip of lipstick. Like it gives you so much coverage, and it's very pigmented, so like you don't need too many dips, if it makes any sense. But yeah, it's super pigmented, so I love that as well. The third thing will definitely be the formula and how it lives up to its claim. So it claims to last on your lips for 12 hours, which is true, you guys. I did some extreme tests as well and it passed. It's been 12 hours since I've had this on my lips and it did not budge at all. The only time that it did was when I washed it with liquid face wash. So that's the only time it really faded. So the formula, it totally lives up to its claim. And the other good thing is that when you apply this, it dries to be matte on your lips, but it does not feel like you have lipstick on your lips. So like I'm that person who does not like to feel that I have makeup on my face. So this is something I absolutely love, that it does not feel like you have anything on your lips. So after a point you can just really forget, because it does not bleed or anything. So you can actually forget that you have lipstick on your face and like go to sleep, do whatever the hell you want to do, and it won't budge at all. So the formula is a big thumbs up from my side as well. And lastly, the scent. The scent of this lipstick is so nice. It smells like cupcake, so like vanilla. I'm not very sure, but I love the scent, and makeup with a good scent is just like such a big plus for me, like if my makeup smells good, I'm such a happy kid. So those are all the pros. Now coming to the cons, I think there's only one con, which is that it's very sticky for the first 5 to 7 minutes. So initially when I first put it on my lips, I was like, dude, what? Because it was very, very sticky and my lips were sticking together and I felt like ye to matte nahi hai, jo sticky hai, and it felt very glossy. But with I gave it some days. So I used it for a week and then I realized that after the first 15 minutes, like first 5 to 7 minutes, it stops transferring, and then with the 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you see it turning into a very matte lipstick and it stops transferring at all after the first 7 minutes. But also the stickiness goes with time and it turns super matte on your lips. But the good thing is if you rub it, it does not flake off your lips or flake off your lips. So that's super great, but the only con will be how it's kind of sticky. So if you're someone who's not very used to wearing liquid lipsticks, you will kind of be a little uncomfortable. But having 5 pros and 1 con, I think you know what to do. If you guys really liked the lipstick and liked how it stays and want something that you put in the morning and then forget about and don't have to touch up, this is something you would like. So if you're in college or if you're going, like if you have a very hectic schedule and you're a working woman, this is something you'd want to buy because it really stays for a very long time. So that is my little review, pros and cons, kind of a comparison, and I totally give it 10 on 10 points, actually 9. I'll give it a 9 on 10 because it's a little sticky. Otherwise I absolutely love this. And oh, also I forgot a pro. The last pro has to be the shade range. I actually have all the 13 ones, but I have only 6 right now with me. But the shade range is amazing, you guys. They have a shade for everyone, especially the reds. They have cool toned reds, they have warm toned reds, they have neutral toned reds. So something for everyone. If you're very pale, you're dusky, you're whatever your skin tone is, you'll find something for you in this huge shade range that they have. So now that you can see 6 pros and 1 con, you guys know what to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also have all the 13 shades with me. So if you guys want a swatch video, if you are my skin tone and want to see how it would look on you, you guys can go ahead and comment down below and I would do the swatches for sure. But that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I should stop blabbering now. So if you guys liked this video and enjoyed it and if this video helped you, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Please go ahead and like this video. It makes me so happy and also helps me a lot. You guys can also go and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Hit the red subscribe button and become a part of this little family that I've built. And also please go ahead or ghanti baja do yaar, because if you hit the bell button will you get notified of all the videos that I post. I've been posting very regularly and my upload days are now Wednesday and Saturday. 1 video or 2 videos every week go live on this channel now. I hope you guys enjoy and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.